I hereby present the human science assignment by myself, Patrick Aitson. A real-life situation consisted in conducting a experimental survey to Mr. Kuhn's homeroom. This was a homeroom filled with 11th graders, and after this we had to count off the answers ourselves and analyze them furthermore in TOK terms. These questions consisted on a couple of loaded questions, a couple of questions used for distraction meaning that we had to get the students' attention off the survey for a little while, questions that made them be positive about their strengths, and others that made them be negative upon their weaknesses. A knowledge issue I could extract from the results we got in this survey is what roles do emotion and reason play in someone's mind when answering a questionnaire. To begin with, we need to define these TOK terms. Emotion is a natural instinctive state of mind deriving from different factors such as mood or recent events in someone's life, and reason is the power of the mind to think, understand, and form judgments by a process of logic. As you can see here, we have two questions. The first one, do you support gay marriage? And the other one, if you saw someone being bullied, would you do something to help the victim and stop the bully? Most people answered yes on both of these questions, and I believe this has something to do with emotion. At FDR, since we were little, we have been taught that bullying is wrong, and then when someone is being bullied, you should go and stop the bully to help the victim. Moreover, we have learned to accept different people's views. We have learned to accept their diversity as a whole, and we have learned that gay marriage is a different perspective upon life. So probably the 11th graders, while answering the survey, thought these results were going to go to the superintendent or to some headmaster in school. So their emotions tricked them into answering what the school wanted them to answer, not necessarily what they wanted to answer. So not necessarily these answers 100% accurate. Moreover, we have another question here, which is should Vladimiro Montesinos be released from jail, given the fact he has broken the law in more than one occasion, just because of a lot of time has passed? This is definitely a loaded question. We're trying to tilt people to one side. We were trying to tell them to say that yes, he should be released from jail. But people used reason and analyzed what had happened with Montesinos previously in our country, and they noticed they should not be he should not be released. So reason and emotion are two ways of knowing that definitely have an effect on people when they are trying to answer some specific questions, in this case a survey. Something I do want to state is that surveys are not always accurate. And here, do you consider yourself an above average student? We didn't state what an average student was, so people could not really know what an average student was. But since they want to be superior, most of them answered yes. Thank you very much.